Money stories, simple tales that introduce economic concepts. Welcome to the enchanting realm of money stories, where we embark on delightful adventures through simple tales that introduce the magical world of economic concepts to our young learners. Journey into the Tale of Wise Penny. In the Tale of Wise Penny, we follow the adventures of a clever little coin named Penny. Through Penny's journey, children discover the value of saving and making wise choices with money. The story unfolds in a way that captivates young minds, weaving financial wisdom into a charming narrative. Exploring the Coin Kingdom. Join us as we explore the Coin Kingdom, where each coin has its unique personality and role. Through engaging stories, children meet Penny the Planner, Dime the Daring, and Quarter the Queen. These characters bring financial concepts to life, turning learning into an imaginative journey. The Adventures of Spendy and Savey. Meet Spendy and Savey, two characters who embark on exciting adventures in the town of Moneyville. Through their escapades, children learn about the concepts of spending and saving. The adventures of Spendy and Savey make these economic ideas relatable, fostering a deeper understanding through storytelling. Quest for the Rainbow Coins. In the quest for the rainbow coins, children join a colorful expedition to discover magical coins with special powers. Each coin represents a different economic concept, from budgeting to sharing. This captivating story engages young minds with vibrant characters and unfolds a tale that makes learning about money a joyous quest. Tea Party with Coin Friends. Picture a whimsical tea party with coin friends, where each coin brings a unique treat to share. As the coins interact and share their goodies, children learn about the concepts of exchange and barter in a playful setting. This delightful story transforms economic principles into a charming tea-time adventure. The Money Tree's Secret. In the heart of the enchanted forest, there lies the money tree with a secret to share. Through this enchanting tale, children discover the concept of growth and interest. The money tree's secret unfolds in a way that sparks curiosity, making economic principles a magical part of the forest adventure. The Great Coin Carnival. Step right up to the Great Coin Carnival, where the town comes alive with games, rides, and of course, economic concepts. Through the stories of carnival goers, children learn about supply and demand, earning, and the joy of trade. This lively narrative turns economic lessons into a thrilling carnival experience. A day in Moneyville's Market Square. Embark on a day in Moneyville's Market Square, where the town comes together for a bustling market day. Through the stories of vendors, buyers, and friendly characters, children explore the basics of supply, demand, and the joy of fair trade. This vibrant narrative transforms economic concepts into a lively market experience. The Friendship Coin Chronicles. In the Friendship Coin Chronicles, children follow the adventures of a special coin that spreads kindness and generosity. Through heartwarming stories, young learners grasp the concept of sharing and the joy of giving. The friendship coin becomes a symbol of compassion, weaving economic principles into tales of friendship and empathy. The Colorful Currency Parade. Imagine the colorful currency parade marching through town, where each bill and coin showcases its vibrant personality. Through these animated stories, children learn about different denominations and the various roles currency plays. The parade becomes a vivid celebration that introduces economic concepts in a lively and memorable way. Discovering Meadows Mysteries. In Discovering Meadows Mysteries, children explore a magical meadow where economic concepts come to life. Through the adventures of curious characters, young minds uncover the secrets of earning, saving, and responsible spending. This immersive tale turns learning about money into a captivating journey. The Budgeting Bees Buzz. Join the budgeting bees in their hive as they diligently collect nectar and manage their honey supply. Through their industrious tales, children learn about the concept of budgeting and making wise choices with resources. The Budgeting Bees Buzz adds a delightful twist to economic principles, making them as sweet as honey. The Coin Family Reunion. Picture the Coin Family Reunion, where pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters gather for a joyous celebration. Through the stories of this lively family, children discover the hierarchy of coins and their respective values. The reunion becomes a playful setting for understanding the diverse world of currency. The Investment Tree's Wisdom. In the heart of the knowledge grove stands the majestic investment tree. Through its sagacious tales, children discover the concept of investments and how patience can lead to fruitful outcomes. The investment tree's wisdom imparts valuable lessons about long-term planning in a way that's both insightful and entertaining. Coinville's Great Charity Challenge. In Coinville's Great Charity Challenge, young minds witness a spirited competition among coins, each vying to contribute the most to charitable causes. Through this heartwarming story, children learn about philanthropy and the impact of giving back. The challenge turns economic concepts into a compassionate journey of generosity. The Treasure Map of Opportunity. Embark on a grand adventure with the Treasure Map of Opportunity, where young explorers follow a map filled with economic opportunities. Through the stories of hidden treasures and unforeseen possibilities, children grasp the concept of seizing opportunities and turning challenges into victories. This exciting narrative makes learning about economics an adventurous quest. Earning stars in Money Galaxy, join the cosmic journey to the Money Galaxy, where children collect stars by earning and saving money. Through the stellar stories of cosmic coins and intergalactic transactions, young learners understand the importance of hard work and financial responsibility. Money Galaxy's tales make economic concepts as vast and fascinating as the universe. The Thrilling Coin Race. Gear up for the thrilling coin race, where coins dash through obstacle courses and race to the finish line. Through this energetic story, children learn about competition, effort, and the exhilaration of reaching financial goals. The race becomes a dynamic metaphor for the principles of determination and striving for success. The Enchanted Wallet Chronicles. Step into the Enchanted Wallet Chronicles, where wallets become magical gateways to financial wisdom. Through the tales of enchanted wallets and their owners, children discover the importance of organization, tracking expenses, and setting financial goals. This enchanting narrative turns economic concepts into a charming exploration of personal finance. So, little adventurers, get ready to continue the journey with these captivating money stories. Each tale is a gateway to understanding economic concepts in a way that's engaging, relatable, and filled with the wonder of storytelling. Let the adventures unfold as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of money,